Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. So we are going out now for a weekend getaway, me and Sahil. And we are going to Igatpuri. We have booked in Manas Resort of Igatpuri. It is not very far from here. It's about 2 hours. That's what the Google Maps say. We wanted a getaway like really badly from a very long time. बहुत टाइम हो गया हम कहीं पे ट्रैवल नहीं किया था. So we were exploring couple of options. जब हमें मानस रिसोर्ट with petting zoo का दिखा, we found the concept quite interesting where you'll find a lot of dogs, rabbits, turtles and birds भी है काफ़ी सारे. Another thing is that the resort is very pet friendly. So very few places I have seen जहाँ पे resorts में you can take your pet along. So people can take their cats or dogs or whatever pet they have. And so I'm also taking my pet.
You should tell people that your pet bites.
This is not very friendly pet. We thought that let's go, it'll be a different experience. So that's where we are headed to. And right now बहुत धूप है. हम लोग 11:30 को निकले and we are not very sure whether the resort is veg or non-veg. Non-veg मिलता है कि नहीं. And साहिल यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टेंशन में बैठा है कि नॉन-वेज मिलेगा कि नहीं. इतना हार्डकोर नॉन-वेज लोग. So we are quite excited, though it's just a weekend, but still something is better than nothing.
बाऊजी जा रहे हैं वो गाड़ी में. हम देखो बाऊजी.
We have reached the place and property is quite big. Sahil is just doing the check-in formalities. यहाँ पे there are some rooms that look like cottages. Ours said valley view. We mainly booked for the petting zoo. अभी just waiting for Sahil to get back and then we'll go to the room and I'll give you guys a room tour. Just reached our room. I'll show you guys around how the room is. It's not very big, so room tour बहुत ज़्यादा time नहीं लेगा. So first is you have this big bed and उसके just opposite you have this mirror. You have this tea, coffee kettle over here. Washroom is pretty basic. Just few amenities. And a shower area. There is a cupboard here where you can keep your clothes, you can hang them. There is a safe here as well. यहाँ से पूरा valley दिखता है. Valley यहाँ से बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है. But when you walk nearby, start seeing all this. Lot of kachra. So the room is actually very very small and very very standard. यहाँ पे एक fridge तक नहीं है. So I don't know about other rooms. One more thing that I want to show you is when I tried plugging in my phone to charge, तो ये जो इसका bracket है वो actually पूरा निकल गया. I just timing के लिए सर रखा है मैंने. So That's a bummer. Sahil is so disappointed.
I mean, it's not about how much you're paying. I think we paid around 6,000 for the room. It's very basic. Not very happy. I don't know.
We actually booked the जो सबसे basic level का room है. We actually booked that because we were more interested in the petting zoo. तो room तो बस ऐसे ही रहने के लिए चाहिए था and इतना कम नहीं सोचा था because I mean it was not like we paid like 1,000-2,000 rupees. So but let's not spoil our weekend getaway. It's okay. And also this time I've decided that I will give you guys a budget estimate of how much it cost for each and everything. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. In case you guys are planning to visit here, it will be helpful for you guys. अभी देखते हैं कि आगे experiences कैसे होता है. What we are actually looking forward to the petting zoo. Let's see how that goes. The reception say they had given us this details of the room, the timing and everything. So petting zoo जो है it is from 4:30 to 5:30. Room service is only till 9 o'clock. So you need to actually place the last order by 8 o'clock. And by 10 o'clock the whole resort is बंद. Restaurant में भी lunch and dinner के लिए he has suggested that we order room service so that you know थोड़ा सा COVID का time है तो they are not encouraging people to go to the restaurant. Now we are like dead tired. Evening we'll step out. Till then we are just going to lie in this bed and sleep off for I think an hour or two and I will see you after that. So right now we have come out. Not yet time for the petting zoo. Right now it's around 4:10 but look what's happening.
ये लोग को देख के मुझे मटन बिरयानी याद आ रहा है. Not them. They can be here. आज शाम को मटन बिरयानी.
यहाँ पे इतना प्लेफुलनेस चल रहा है.
This dog is actually like me. It doesn't care about the world. अपना पानी पिएगा, अपना खेलेगा.
और वो अलग खेलता है. उसको यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है उसको उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. वो अपना चलता है, वो अपना साइड में चलेगा.
उसका नाम क्या है?
इसका शैडो.
Shadow. Anu has finally found her favorite pet. Anu is walking its territory, I guess.
Yeah, around me.
बोल रहा भाई ये मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है. एक काम कर तू घर अभी इसके साथ ही जा. You like this dog?
हाँ.
It's very pretty. This is my friend.
We had a lot of fun. It was amazing. Hectic तो बहुत था but it was quite refreshing. Like, we're tired for sure, but we are not stressed out. In fact, it's like a stress buster. Playing with those dogs are so friendly, and I'm sure a lot of you guys might be having doubts कि छोटे बच्चों को लेके आ सकते हैं या नहीं, and how safe it is. Those dogs are so well trained. जब हम थे वहाँ पर तो there were 2-3 years के बच्चे लोग थे जो भाग रहे थे, डॉग्स के पीछे भाग रहे थे, and they were enjoying, they were having a ball of a time, and those dogs did not bother them at all. And it's like so many different breeds and so many different dogs. It is just like out of the world experience. Like how there are no words for me to actually tell you. Right now we are a little bit tired. Sahil has already gone to take a shower. Abhi Sahil ke baad main bhi jaungi. I'll take a shower, like just get refreshed. And we are not going out for dinner. We'll order for room service. I'll just freshen up and then we'll see कि क्या क्या order करना है. So done with shower. I've taken a photo of the menu. QR code भी है जो scan कर सकते हैं, but यहाँ पे internet is very patchy. So I have taken a photo and साहिल का जीवन सफल हो गया because non-veg is available. And यहाँ पे लिखा है कि kindly note outside food is strictly prohibited in resort. Well,
We are rebels.
इसका मूड इतना ख़राब हो गया था क्योंकि रूम का टैरिफ तो इसने ही पे किया था, तो रूम देख के ही वो सो डिसअपॉइंटेड. अब कैसा लग रहा है बताओ?
When we entered the room, I was completely dull because मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. But when we went out and we played with the dogs, played with the birds and all, it was so light and I completely forgot about the room. Mostly सब मिडिल क्लास बच्चों के साथ ये हुआ रहेगा. सो व्हेन वी वर किड्स ऐसे एक झटका आता था हमेशा कि हम लोग मॉम डैड के पास भाग के जाएंगे एंड विल से कि चलो मम्मी डैडी हमको है ना एक डॉग लेके आना है. आज वो एग्जैक्ट फीलिंग आया, लेकिन फिर वो डायलॉग भी याद आता है जो हर मिडिल क्लास बच्चे को मिला रहेगा, तुम लोग को पाल रहे हैं ना, इतना बस नहीं हुआ.
Actually, साहिल के बचपन में he had a cat and when I was growing up I had a dog, not for a very long time.
Having a cat and a dog is like ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क है. Dogs will give you that unconditional love. My cat did, but only when it was hungry. तो मतलब जब भी मैं सुबह उठता था, it will just stick to me, right? It will just stick to me. And जब मैं उसको दूध पिला दूंगा, उसके बाद it will not even recognize me. For the entire day, I was like, अरे आजा मेरे पास. नहीं, it will be like, कौन है भाई तू?
We are on our way back. Entire experience was good except for a few glitches, but I think overall we did have a lot of fun. The only thing is, as you guys saw, the room was not up to the mark at all. We had booked the executive room with valley view, and if you are planning to go there, you can book the cottages. I think they are called the villas. They seem quite better. The reason why we didn't book them is we didn't have a pet. It was just two of us, so we thought we didn't want to go for a higher category room. So we thought this is sufficient, but I think it was not maintained well. I don't want to get into the nitty gritty, but it's just that I want to be honest with you guys of what was good and what was not good. The room quality, the linen used was not at all up to the mark. They look pretty old as well. The room in general was a big disappointment, but what made up for it is the petting zoo. The animals they have, the pets they have were so well kept and so well trained. The only thing is that the dogs, they have a specific time when they come out. Morning 10:30 to 11:30 and in the evening 4:30 to 5:30, and rest of the time they are kept in cages, which is kind of sad because you can make out that when they come out they just want to play, run around and play fetch and all that. They are very very happy. But anyways, if in case you are an animal lover or a dog lover or a bird lover, you can absolutely come here. It's wonderful. So now for the budget estimate, we of course are traveling by our car. If you count the petrol and the toll, everything, for us it is 100 kilometers, so to and fro I would say about 800 to 1000 bucks if you are traveling by your private vehicle. The room, it was 6000. Not worth it, but that's what we paid. Breakfast was not included in the room tariff, so if you want to have breakfast from the resort, it is 500 per person. Meals, it is about 1700 for two. It's slightly overpriced for sure. The food was good, the food was tasty, it was fresh. So I think yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, do not forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, that red subscribe button down below. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye.